Hello students, good morning. You are going to learn data representation in computer science. Myself Yogesh Misra. Today we will discuss about decimal addition of digits. How you will add digits in decimal format. It is very simple. See, there are two numbers 43 and 59 and we are going to add. So 9 and 3, 12, carry 1, it will be added in the next number 4, 1, 5 and 5, 10. It means addition of decimal number is very simple and it is simply added and the result is 102. Now we will do the same thing in binary format. So first of all we will convert 43 into binary. So 43 means 32 plus 8 plus 2 plus 1. Okay, so we can write this digit in binary format. 32 1 means to the power 5 is equal to 32. It means it will be written as 1 0 0 0 0 and 0. Okay, the next number is 8. 8 means to the power 3 means this is, and 2 means 1 and 0 and 1 is itself 1. Okay, so we just write this number means 43 as 1 0 1 0 1 1. Okay, you can just write this number 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 1. Okay, it is correct. Now the next number is 59. So we just write 59 as 32 plus 16 plus it is 48 and plus 8 56 plus 2 plus 1 32 plus 16 48 plus 8 56 plus 2 58 plus 1 32 48 56 58 59. Okay, now we will write in the same way as it is given here. 1. See, this is for 32, this is for 8, this is for 2 and this is for 1. We have to only write about 16. So for 16 we just write like this. Okay, now when we add these numbers we will find 1 1 1 1 0 1 1. There is no confusion. For 32 it is given here, for 16 it is given here. So you can just add by this 0 0 0 0. 4 zeros are here, 0 0 0 0. 4 zeros are here. So 1 will be added at this place and you will get this. And rest of the numbers are from here that you find. Okay. So firstly you will find 43 and 59. Now we will add these two numbers. Okay, so for 43 we will write here 43 equal 101011 and 59 is equal to 111011. Now we will add these two numbers. Okay, so when we will add these two numbers, 1 and 1, 0 carry 1. In the binary addition, when we add 1 and 1, 0 comes and carry 1 will move to the next number. 1 plus 1 0 and 0 plus 1 is 1 and again carry is 1. 0 plus 0 is 0 and plus 1 is here. Now 1 plus 1 0, carry will move to the next number. 1 plus 0 1 and 1 plus 1 is 0 and carry move to the next number. 1 plus 1 0 and 0 plus 1 is 1 and carry move to the next number and it will return here. As you know that it is 102. Addition of these numbers are 102. Now we have to check that these numbers are equal to 102 or not. For that we will convert 102 in different formats. Means 64 plus 32, 64 plus 32 means 96. 96 plus 4 plus 2. 36, 38. Okay, this is equal to 102. Okay, now we will add these numbers. Means for 64, to the power 6 plus to the power 5 plus to the power 2 plus to the power 1. It means 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Base is 2 and power is 6. So we put 6 zeros. And then to the power 5 means we will put 5 zeros. To the power 2 means we will put here 2 zeros. And to the power 1 means we will put 1 zeros. Now we will add these numbers. Okay, so we will get 0 1 1 0 0 1 1. Now we will match with the answer. Yeah, our answer is correct. So by this way we can add decimal digits and then after we can add binary digits. For converting binary digits we use to factorize this number in different format like 32, 8, 2 plus 1, 59, 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus 2 plus 1, and then we convert equivalent binary digits. Okay, and then after we add the number and we find the result. Okay, I think you understand it. If any problem, then you can query with me. Okay, thank you. Students, we will see another example of adding binary digits. 11011001 and another number is 11011110. So for adding these binary digits, there is some rules. That rules are 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 1, 0. Okay? In the same concept, 1 plus 1 is equal to double 1. Okay? Any problem? Okay. Now, see here. 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1 plus 0. 0 plus 1 means 1 and 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1. 1 plus 0, 1 and 1. 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1, 0 and 0 plus 1, 1, carry is 1. 1 plus 1, 0 and carry 1, that will return here. So by this way, you can add binary digits. This is binary addition of numbers. Okay? Any doubt? 1 plus 0, 1. 0 plus 1, 1. On the basis of these rules. Okay? Again, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, carry 1. 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1, 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, carry 1. 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1. That is it. Now we can cross check it. How? By converting these numbers in decimal number, and then we can find it that this addition is correct or not. Okay? So let's see here. First of all, we will count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Means if we put the 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Place value. Positional value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now to the power 7 plus to the power 6 plus it will become 0 to the power 4 plus to the power 3 plus to the power 0, and these parts will become 0. Okay, because these digits are multiplied with the number. Okay, so when we multiply with 1, it will become the same number, and when we will multiply with 0, it will become 0. Okay, so it should be in our mind. Now we will see to the power 0 means 1, to the power 3 means 8, to the power 4 means 16, to the power 6 means 64, to the power 7 means 128. Now we will add these numbers. 1, 9, 15, 19, 8, 27. 2 is carry. 3, 9, 2, 11, and that is. So 270. Again, another number is 110, 110, 1110. Now we will put here positional value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now again we will put here to the power 6 plus to the power 5 plus to the power 3 because 0 to the power 2 plus to the power 1 and this will become 0. Now we will put the value and to the power 1 means 2 plus to the power 2 means 4 plus to the power 3 means 8 plus to the power 5 means 32 plus to the power 6 means 64. Now we will add these numbers. So this 8 will add here and it will become 40, 44, 46 and 64. Means it will become 110. 64 and 46. Okay, it will become 110. Now we will add 110. 7, 112 and 213. So this is decimal addition. Okay. Now we got the result as this. So we also convert this number in decimal number and we will find 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 and we will put the positional value. Positional value is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Now we will calculate the value. To the power 8 plus to the power 6. I am not adding this number because it will become 0 and these three numbers will also become 0. Okay, so to the power 2 plus to the power 1 plus to the power 0. Okay, now we will find the value. To the power 0 means 1, to the power 1 means 2, to the power 2 means 4, to the power 6 means 64, plus to the power 8 means 256. 256. Now we will add these all numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 4, 11, 6, 17. 17 is here, 1 is carry. 6 and 1, 7, 7 and 5, 12. 2, carry 1, 2 and 1, 3. The result is 327. Here also result is 327. So the process is long, but you can easily understand how these numbers are calculated and the value is correct. So by this way you can add binary digits, you can learn the binary addition method. Okay, thank you. If any doubt you can ask to me. I will be available for solving your problem. Thank you.